Welcome back to the channel. Today we're showing you the new Bugatti Motorhome, the new face of luxury travel. If you enjoy futuristic motorhome content like this, stay with us till the end. There's a lot more to see. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
The automotive world has just been shaken to its core by something so extraordinary, so audacious, that it challenges everything we thought we knew about luxury, performance, and mobile living. The new Bugatti Motorhome stands before us as the ultimate expression of automotive excellence, merged with architectural sophistication, creating what might be the most exclusive and expensive motorhome ever conceived. When Bugatti, the legendary French manufacturer known for creating the fastest and most luxurious hypercars on the planet, decides to venture into the motorhome space, you know the result will be nothing short of spectacular. This isn't just a motorhome with a Bugatti badge slapped on it. This is a complete reimagining of what mobile luxury means, executed with the same obsessive attention to detail and uncompromising standards that have made Bugatti the pinnacle of automotive achievement. The exterior design immediately announces this vehicle's extraordinary pedigree. Finished in Bugatti's signature white with stunning gold accents, the color scheme alone tells you this is something special. The front section features an integrated Bugatti complete with that iconic horseshoe grille that has been a Bugatti trademark for over a century, the distinctive C-shaped LED lighting signature, and those massive gold-finished wheels that are instantly recognizable to automotive enthusiasts worldwide. But this isn't simply a Chiron towing a trailer. The hypercar forms an integral part of the motorhome's structure, with the living quarters flowing seamlessly from the car's rear in a design that's both aerodynamic and visually stunning. The transition from car to living space is achieved through flowing, organic curves that create a unified whole rather than two separate components bolted together. The living quarters section rises above and behind the Chiron in a multi-level configuration that's unlike anything else on the road. The structure features clean, angular lines with large panoramic windows that are tinted to provide privacy while allowing natural light to flood the interior. The windows aren't conventional RV fare. They're likely custom-engineered glass panels with advanced coating technology for UV protection, heat rejection, and possibly even electrochromic capabilities that allow them to tint automatically or on demand. The roofline is sophisticated with multiple levels and what appears to be pop-out sections that can extend when parked to increase interior space. Integrated into the roof structure are likely solar panels disguised within the sleek design, along with satellite communication domes and other technology that keeps occupants connected, regardless of location. The gold accents that run along the sides of the motorhome echo the gold wheels on the Chiron, creating visual continuity that ties the entire design together. These aren't just decorative stripes. They're carefully designed aerodynamic elements that help manage airflow along the length of this massive vehicle. The side panels appear to be smooth, possibly carbon fiber composite construction that keeps weight down while maintaining structural rigidity. The wheels on the motorhome section are custom units, likely featuring Bugatti's signature design language adapted for the heavier loads and different performance requirements of a motorhome chassis. Perhaps the most striking exterior feature is the external staircase that's visible in the image, finished in matching gold and providing access to the upper levels. This isn't a fold-out RV step. This is an architectural element that looks like it belongs on a luxury yacht or a modern mansion. The stairs appear to be substantial, with proper railings allowing safe access to what must be an upper deck or outdoor observation area. When deployed, this staircase transforms the motorhome into something that transcends the typical RV experience, creating genuine outdoor living spaces at multiple levels. The chassis and running gear beneath all this luxury would need to be absolutely extraordinary. While the front motive power comes from the Bugatti Chiron with its quad-turbocharged W16 engine producing over 1,500 horsepower, the motorhome section would require its own sophisticated suspension and potentially additional power systems. The rear section appears to ride on multiple axles, possibly 4 or even 6 wheels on the motorhome portion alone, providing the stability and load capacity necessary for such a substantial structure. The suspension would likely be active air suspension, capable of adjusting ride height for different driving conditions and leveling. The vehicle, when parked, stepping inside this Bugatti motorhome would be an experience unlike any other. The interior would undoubtedly feature materials and craftsmanship that match or exceed what you find in a Bugatti Hypercar. We're talking about the finest leathers sourced from European suppliers where each hide is carefully inspected, and only the most perfect sections are used. The leather would be hand-stitched by master craftsmen, possibly in contrast colors that echo Bugatti's signature two-tone aesthetic. Carbon fiber elements would be prominent throughout, not just for weight savings but as design features showcasing the material's distinctive weave patterns. Aluminum and titanium components might be used for structural elements and trim pieces, all finished to exquisite standards. The ground floor would likely feature an open-concept living area that maximizes the sense of space. The furniture wouldn't be typical RV fare, but rather bespoke pieces designed specifically for this application, potentially adjustable or transformable to serve multiple functions. Seating would be luxurious with heating, cooling, and massage functions as standard. The entertainment systems would be state-of-the-art with large displays that can emerge from hidden compartments. PREM/IUM audio systems featuring speakers from high-end manufacturers, and connectivity that ensures you're never out of touch with the world. The lighting throughout would be sophisticated LED systems with infinite color adjustment capabilities, creating different moods and ambiances for various times of day or activities. The kitchen in a Bugatti motorhome would be nothing short of spectacular. Imagine professional-grade appliances from the most prestigious manufacturers, integrated seamlessly into custom cabinetry, a full-size refrigerator with separate temperature zones for different types of food, and an extensive wine cellar maintained at perfect temperatures, a professional range with multiple burners and dual ovens capable of executing any culinary creation. Countertops would likely be exotic stone or possibly even custom composite materials developed specifically for this application, providing beauty and functionality in equal measure. Every drawer and cabinet would feature soft close mechanisms and would be secured during travel through sophisticated locking systems that engage automatically when the vehicle is in motion. The upper levels accessed by that dramatic gold staircase would house the private quarters. The master bedroom suite would be extraordinary with a bed that's larger than standard sizing, featuring a mattress system that might incorporate active suspension or adjustment capabilities to ensure perfect sleep-in comfort regardless of the vehicle's position. The bedding would be the finest available, possibly custom-woven fabrics with thread counts that boggle the mind. The bedroom would have its own climate control system completely independent from other areas, ensuring perfect sleeping temperatures. Entertainment systems would be integrated into the space with screens that can emerge from furniture or drop from the ceiling. The windows in the bedroom areas would provide spectacular views when desired or complete privacy through smart glass technology or automated shade systems. The bathrooms in this Bugatti motorhome would rival those in five-star hotels or luxury spas. A master bathroom would feature a full-size shower with multiple shower heads, including rain options and body jets that provide spa-like experiences. The shower enclosure would likely be glass with premium fixtures, possibly finished in gold or other precious metals to match the exterior accents. A separate soaking tub wouldn't be out of the question, providing a level of luxury rarely if ever seen in a motor. The vanity area would feature premium countertops, possibly heated, with lighting designed for grooming tasks. Mirrors might include anti-fog technology and integrated displays. The toilet would be a sophisticated unit with bidet functions and self-cleaning capabilities. Flooring throughout would be heated because in a Bugatti, comfort is paramount. The technology integration throughout this motorhome would be absolutely cutting-edge. A central control system would manage every aspect of the vehicle from lighting and climate control to entertainment, security, and vehicle systems monitoring. This wouldn't be a conventional RV control panel, but rather a sophisticated interface, possibly developed by the same teams that create Bugatti's Hypercar systems. Touchscreens throughout the motorhome would provide control access, or occupants could use smartphones, tablets, or voice commands. The system would provide real-time monitoring and diagnostics for all vehicle functions, possibly even predictive maintenance alerts that schedule service before issues arise. Security systems would be military-grade with multiple cameras providing complete visibility around the vehicle. Motion sensors, biometric access controls, possibly including fingerprint or facial recognition, and alarm systems that would alert owners and potentially security services if any unauthorized access is attempted. When parked in remote or unfamiliar locations, occupants could rest assured that sophisticated protection systems are watching over their multi-million-dollar investment. The exterior spaces accessible via that golden staircase would create genuine outdoor living areas. The upper deck might feature comfortable seating, possibly with weather-resistant cushions and adjustable shading. Imagine parking this motorhome at an exclusive event like the Monaco Grand Prix or Pebble Beach Concours and having your own private, elevated viewing platform. The deck would likely feature integrated lighting for evening use, possibly heating elements for cooler weather, and all the amenities needed to entertain guests in style. There might even be an outdoor kitchen setup or bar area, because when you're traveling in a Bugatti motorhome, entertaining is expected to happen at the highest level. The engineering required to create a safe, stable, and roadworthy vehicle from this design would be extraordinary. The connection between the Chiron and the motorhome section would need to be incredibly sophisticated, possibly using an articulated system that allows for some relative movement while maintaining structural integrity. The weight distribution would be critical, requiring careful engineering to ensure proper handling characteristics and safety. Bugatti's engineers would likely employ advanced computer modeling and possibly even wind tunnel testing to optimize the aerodynamics and ensure stability at speed. Performance from the Chiron's quad-turbocharged W16 engine would provide acceleration that's simply unthinkable in the motorhome world, while you obviously wouldn't be hitting the Chiron's top speed of over 300 miles per hour while towing living quarters. The massive torque and power would make highway merging and mountain pass climbing effortless. The sound from that W16 engine would be intoxicating, providing an oral soundtrack to your travels that no other motorhome could match. The price for such an extraordinary creation would be astronomical, likely starting at $20 million or more, making it more expensive than most people's homes and placing it firmly in the realm of ultra-high net worth individuals and collectors who demand the absolute best and are willing to pay for exclusivity. This Bugatti motorhome represents the ultimate fusion of automotive performance and luxury mobile living, a statement piece that announces its owner has truly arrived at the pinnacle of success. The construction quality throughout this Bugatti motorhome would be absolutely uncompromising. Every panel gap would be measured in every surface finish would be inspected under special lighting conditions, and every component would be tested to standards that exceed what's required in the automotive industry. The manufacturing process would likely take months or even years, with master craftsmen spending countless hours on details that most people would never notice but that collectively create an aura of perfection. The paint finish alone would involve dozens of layers applied by hand and polished to a depth and luster that makes the surface appear almost liquid. Storage solutions throughout the motorhome would be both abundant and ingenious. Despite the emphasis on luxury and performance, practical considerations wouldn't be ignored. Large exterior compartments would provide space for luggage, equipment, and supplies, all accessed through powered doors with soft close mechanisms. Interior storage would be integrated seamlessly into the design with custom compartments for specific items, possibly including climate-controlled sections for wine or sensitive electronics. The motorhome might even feature a dedicated garage space within the structure for additional vehicles, motorcycles, or sporting equipment, because Bugatti owners tend to have extensive collections of high-performance toys. The chassis and suspension engineering would be nothing short of revolutionary. Bugatti's expertise in creating stable, controllable hypercars capable of extreme speeds would translate into a motorhome with handling characteristics that defy its size and weight. Active suspension systems would constantly adjust damping and ride height based on road conditions, speed, and driver inputs. The steering would be precise, despite the length, possibly assisted by rear-wheel steering systems that improve maneuverability at low speeds, while enhancing stability at highway speeds. Braking systems would be massive, likely featuring carbon ceramic discs similar to those on Bugatti's Hypercars, providing fade-free stopping power even when fully loaded. Climate control throughout the multiple levels would be sophisticated beyond imagination. Independent zones for different areas would allow personalized comfort settings, with the system intelligent enough to anticipate needs based on time of day, occupancy patterns, and external conditions. The HVAC equipment would be powerful, yet whisper quiet, possibly using active noise cancellation technology to eliminate any mechanical sounds. Air filtration would be hospital-grade, removing pollutants, allergens, and odors to ensure the interior environment is always pristine. Humidity control would prevent any moisture issues while maintaining comfortable levels for occupants. The electrical and power systems would be equally impressive. Beyond the massive fuel tanks for the W16 engine, the motorhome would feature substantial battery banks for house power, possibly using advanced lithium technology for optimal energy density. Solar panels integrated into the roof structure would provide renewable energy for extended off-grid capability. Multiple generators, possibly including a quiet diesel unit and auxiliary systems, would ensure power is always available. Shore power connections would support high amperage feeds for rapid battery charging and running all systems simultaneously. The electrical distribution would be managed by intelligent systems that prioritize loads, switch between power sources seamlessly, and provide detailed monitoring of consumption and available capacity. Water systems would be equally sophisticated, with large fresh water tanks providing ample supply for the kitchen, multiple bathrooms, and other needs. The plumbing throughout would use premium materials, possibly including antimicrobial surfaces in water lines. Hot water would be provided by on-demand systems, ensuring unlimited supply without the wait times and capacity limitations of tank systems. Gray and black water holding tanks would be appropriately sized with sophisticated monitoring systems and possibly even treatment capabilities that reduce the frequency of dump station visits. Water filtration and purification systems might allow for filling from various sources when traveling internationally or in remote locations. Connectivity and communication systems would ensure occupants are never truly isolated from the world unless they choose to be. Satellite internet systems would provide high-speed connectivity anywhere on the planet. Multiple cellular modems covering all frequency bands would aggregate connections for maximum bandwidth. Wi-Fi throughout the motorhome would be powerful enough to support streaming, video conferencing, and other bandwidth-intensive activities for multiple users simultaneously. Entertainment systems would include satellite television receivers, streaming capabilities, and possibly even provisions for gaming systems with low-latency connections. Communication systems might include satellite phone capabilities for truly remote locations where cellular coverage doesn't exist. This new Bugatti Motorhome represents more than just a vehicle or even a luxury accommodation. It's a complete lifestyle solution that allows its owner to travel the world without compromise. Whether attending exclusive automotive events, taking extended tours through exotic locations, or simply desiring the ultimate mobile office and residence, this extraordinary creation delivers capabilities and luxury that were previously unimaginable in the motorhome world. The combination of Bugatti's legendary performance, heritage, with cutting-edge motorhome design creates something that transcends categorization and establishes an entirely new benchmark for what's possible when automotive excellence meets mobile luxury living.